question. A person on a tour has rupees 360 for daily expense. The days of program be increases to 4 days. That means if the extends his tour to 4 days, then cut down the daily expense by rupees 3. Find the number of days for the tour. This is the question. Then the answer is number of days is equal to x. Then daily expense is equal to 360 by x. Therefore, next number of days is equal to x plus 4. That is 4 days also extended. Then daily expense is equal to 360 by what? X plus 4. Then this is the daily expense and also this is the daily expense by increasing days to 4. Then from this problem we know that 360 by x, that is daily expense before 34 or increasing 34 days, minus 360 by x plus 4. Difference between these two is what? 3 rupees reduced. That is 3. This is the equation. Then take LCM on left side. That is x into x plus 4 upon. Then x plus 4, that is cross multiplication. X plus 4 goes to 360. For 360 into x plus 4 minus 360x is equal to 3. From these two terms we take 360 as power. That is 360 into x plus 4 minus x by, open this one, or it is x square plus 4x is equal to 3. We cancel 360 and 3. This is 3 by 3, 1. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. 120. X cancels into 4 divided by x square plus 4x is equal to 1. Cross multiplication, 120 into 4 is equal to x square plus 4x. 120 into 4 is equal to x square plus 4x. Shifting that 120 into 4 is what? 480. Shifting to the right. That is x square plus 4x minus 480 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation for that solution. Then using the quadratic formula, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 480. Then x is equal to what? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a is equal to, b is 4, that's what minus b is minus 4. Plus or minus root of b square, 4 square, it is 16. Minus 4 into 1 into minus 480. Minus into minus is plus, that is plus 480 into 4 that is 0. 8 4s are 32, 3, 4 4 16, 16 plus 3 9. 1 9 2 0. 4 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 20 plus 16 36. 1936. 4 divided by 2. To find out the root of 1936, 1936. Listen, what is 4 square? It is 60. Therefore, 40 square is what? 1600. That is 40 square. And 50 square is what? 2500. Therefore, that 1936 lie between 40 and 50. That is a simple form. Then the last number is 1. That is odd number is 1. Therefore, the odd number or the first number digit of the square root is 1 or 9. That number is not 2, 3. If it is 4, 2 is the last digit or 8 is the last digit. 8 is 64. It is 5, 5 is the last digit. It is 6, it is 6. 6 into 6, 36. 6 is the last digit. If it is 9, the last digit is 7. Because 7 into 7 49 or 3 into 3 9. That is 3. This number is nearest to 1600. Therefore, 1936 is the square of 46. For example, this one 46 into 46. Therefore, that the last number is 6, therefore it is 4 into 4 is 60. Therefore, 44 is the square root of 1936. Therefore, that is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 44. 4 divided by 2. That is equal to minus 4 plus 44 by 2, comma, minus 4 minus 44 by 2. We know that it is negative. Therefore, that number days will be not negative. Therefore, we take only this one. X is equal to 44 minus 4, that is 40 by 2 is equal to 20. Therefore, number of days is equal to 20. That is the answer. Okay. Then the seventh question is question number 7. That is exercise Find roots of the following quadratic equations by combining the square. Following equations by completing square. The first question for that one is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. In this case, what is the general formula of a quadratic equation? A square plus bx plus c is 0 is the quadratic equation. First of all, we can factorize that and we get the solution. We know the result. Second, by completing square means it is of the form a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. That is the completing square. Then in this case, first step is what? That is answer. First step, shifting constant to the right. That is 2x square minus 7x is equal to what? Minus 3. Then quotient of x square is not equal to it is 2. Therefore, dividing by 2. Therefore, it is x square minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Sentence is not like as 3.5. But only this other. Then the second term is 7 by 2. Half of 7 by 2 is 7 by 4. Therefore, adding 7 by 4, the whole square or whole square. That is the next step. The whole square or both the sides. Example we say, therefore, x square minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 the whole square is equal to what the right to 7 by 4 the whole square is like as 49 by 60 minus 3. This is of the form a square minus 12 plus b square. That is a minus b the whole square is equal to what like we take LCM, that is 3 into 16, that is 49 minus 3 into 16, 48 divided by 60. That is x minus 7 by 4 the whole square is equal to 49 minus 48 is 1 by 6. Then take the square root. Plus or minus root 1 is 1 and root 16 is 2. Then shifting 7 by 4 into the right. That is x is equal to minus 7 by 4. Shifting right means 7 by 4. Plus or minus 1 by 4 is equal to 7 plus 1 by 4 comma 7 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 4 is 2. 7 minus 1 it is 6. 6 by 4. 6 by 4 is 3 by 2. These are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. Then the second question is question number 2. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. That is the second question. Similarly, for the first one, answer is 2x square plus x is equal to 4. Simply. Then question x square is 2, therefore dividing by 2. x square plus x by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is 2. Question of x is 1 by 2. Square half of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Therefore, adding 1 by 4 the whole square on both the sides. Then the equation is x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to 1 by 4 square means 1 by 16 plus 2. This is of the perfect square. That is x plus 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to. Take the 16 as LCM. Remember this one? 2 into 16. That is 32. 1 plus 32 divided by 16. That is equal to 33 by 16. 33 is not a perfect square. Therefore, x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 33, root of 33. Square root of 16, it is 2. Shifting for 1 by 4 to right. X is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus or minus root of 33 by 4. That is it is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 33 by 4. That is minus 1 minus root of 33 by 4 and minus 1 plus root of 33 by 4. That is equal to minus 1 plus root of 33 by 4 comma minus 1 minus root of 33 by 4. These are the solutions. Okay. Then next question is question number 3. Question number 3. It is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. This 3 is equal to 0. Is that radical expression root 3? Then first of all we can shift that the quotient to right. That is the answer. 4x square plus 4 root 3x is equal to minus 3. Quotient of x square is 4. Therefore dividing by 4. Divided by 4. Therefore x square plus root 3x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Then what is half of the quotient of x square is root 3 by 2. Therefore adding root 3 by 2 the whole square. Adding root 3 by 2 the whole square on both sides. That is x square plus root 3x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to. What is the square of root 3? That is 3. Square of 2 it is 4. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. What is it? 0. That is x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to 0. Then it is also a perfect square. That is 2 square. Okay. That is also perfect square. That is 2x the whole square. Root 3 square. Therefore it is 2x plus root 3 the whole square. Therefore, x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to root 3 by 2, that is minus root 3 by 2. That means the roots are same. That is the third question. Then question number 2, that is main question number 2. Find the roots of the quadratic equations. Find the roots. Question number 2, main question number 2. Find the roots. Then first question. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. This is known as quadratic form. Therefore, take LCM as x. Answer x denominator. Now cross multiplication x into x. Yes. Minus 1. Numerator is equal to 3. Cross multiplication. S square minus 1 is equal to 3. X into 3, 3x. Shifting to the left. S square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then, using the quadratic formula, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. Then x is equal to what? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a is equal to b is minus 3, therefore minus 3 is 3. b square minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 into a 1 into c minus, so minus into minus is plus. 4 into 1 into 1 is 4 divided by 2a, that is 2. That is equal to 3 plus or minus root 9 plus 4 is 30 divided by 2. That is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. Therefore, write as root 30 only. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus root 30 by 2, comma 3 minus are the roots of that quadratic equation. Okay. Then question number 2. Question number 2. One by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. 30. That means x is not equal to minus 4 because this one is minus 4, then denominator is 0. Denominator by fraction is 0, it is not defined. Similarly, x is not equal to 7. That is the condition. Answer. Take LCM of the denominator, that is x plus 4 into x minus 7 upon cross multiplication. X minus 7 minus of x plus 1. That is x minus 7 minus means that we can go back because there are two terms. X plus 4 is equal to 11 by 30. Then open the bracket, that is x x into minus 7 minus 7x. 4 into x plus 4x. 4 into minus 7 that is minus 28. Is equal to 11 by 30. These two x cancels. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. That is minus 11 by x square. Minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x. Minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. These two 11's cancels. We get the minus 1 by x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 by 30. Cross multiplication, x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 30 into minus 1 minus 30. Shifting to the left, that is x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is simple form. We can factorize. That is product is 2, sum is 3. 1 into 2 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 2. Minus 1 into minus plus minus 2 is minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, it is x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Which implies that x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1, 2 are the solution for the roots of the quadratic equation. Clear? Okay, then third question. That is the third main question. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age Rahman's, not you. Rahman's age 3 years ago, and 5 years from now. Is 1 by 3. Find present age. That is the question. Find the present age. Answer: present age is equal to yes, age. 3 years ago means that is previous year. 3 years now from now means it is the future year. Therefore, 3 years ago the age is x minus 3. 5 years from now the age is x plus 5. The sum of the reciprocal minus 3 plus then 5 years from now, that is 1 by x plus 5 is equal to what? That is given. This is an equation. Rearrange for quadratic and solve. We get the edge of Riemann. Then LCM is x minus 3 and x plus 5. That is x minus 3 into x plus 5 upon cross multiplication. X plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1. Then x plus x is 2x. 5 minus 3 is 2 by open this bracket x into x square. X into 5 plus 5x minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into 5 minus 15. So you got 2 by 3. That is 2x plus 2 by s square. 5 minus 3 is 2. So equal to what? 100. Then cross multiplication 3 into, that is 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 into this thing, that is s square plus 2x minus 50. That is 3 into 6x plus 3 into 6 is equal to s square plus 2x minus 50. Then this is the s square term, therefore shifting these two on the right. That is s square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is s square. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. We can factor that one product is minus 21 and the sum is minus 4. 7 into 3 is 21. 7 minus 3 is 4. Therefore, minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. Minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4. Therefore, A is equal to minus 7, B is equal to 3. Therefore, factors are x minus 7 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is x minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Everything implies that. Therefore, x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, A is not negative. Therefore, x is equal to 7. That is age of Riemann is equal to 7 years. Then the fourth question is a word problem. Question is, the difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. Square of smaller number is 8 times of the larger. Find the numbers. But therefore, that smaller number is based on larger number. So, answer is larger number is equal to yes. Denote that the square of the smaller number. The smaller number is equal to, let us assume number is equal to what? 1. Square of smaller, that is 5 square. times of x. Now, that is 8x. Then difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. Difference of the squares means larger number minus smaller number is positive. But larger number is x. That is x square minus y square is equal to 180. Then what is y square? It is 8x. Therefore, x square minus 8x is equal to 180. Then what is the multiplication? 180 is shifting to the left. That is x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Then sum is minus 8 and the product is 180. Or we can use quadratic formula. That is a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to minus 180. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. That is equal to minus b, that is same, plus or minus root of minus a square, that is 64, minus 4 into a into c, minus into minus is plus 190 into 4, that is 720, divided by 2, calculate 8 plus or minus root of 4, 8, 784 by 2. That is 27 into 27 is 5. No. That is, the last one is 4, 2 into 2. Then 784, 720 plus 64, 784, 625, 26, plus 27, 28. Then 28 into 28. 37, 84. Therefore, x is equal to 8 plus or minus 28 by 2 is equal to 8 plus 28 by 2, comma 8 minus 28 by 2 is equal to 28 plus 8, 36 by 2, comma minus 20 by 2 is equal to 36 by 2 is what? Is 180, comma minus. Therefore, x is equal to 80. Then what is y square? It is 8 into 80 is equal to 144. Y square is 144. What is y? Y is equal to root 2. 144 is equal to 12. Therefore, numbers are 18 and 12. Then the next exercise we will do next.